Hey guys, I'm here with my friends at German Auto Specialists again, and today we are installing some rear subframe mounts on the Audi S4. What's a rear subframe?
Nope, that's a strut brace.
I think I found it!
I definitely found it. It's right, under here in the rear, where you'd think a rear subframe would be. So how does it feel after the rear subframe mounts are installed? Stick around to find out. You're watching Midlife Mods. The subframe is the structure below the frame that supports the axle, suspension, and rear differential on this S4. So these are the 4 subframe mounts that are going to go in the car. These inserts are designed to limit movement in the factory rear subframe mount to maintain proper suspension geometry when cornering and improve the responsiveness of the rear suspension and differential. This insert set eliminates the associated slop to ensure that you experience a more refined connected driving experience, especially when driving at the limit. 034 is all about eliminating slop. You guys just don't like slop over there at 034, do you? Well, who does? I don't like slop either.
I really like slop.
These subframe mounts are going to be replacing the existing polyurethane subframe mounts that are on the Audi S4. We're replacing 4 mounts located here, 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 and here. We're starting with the back ones first. We started by loosening and then removing the bolts from the back subframe mounts. Then we pried off the cap and removed the plastic insert, and then replaced the plastic insert, the 034 Motorsport billet aluminum insert. Before and after, geez, that's cheap looking, man. It's gonna make all the difference.
That's right, we're gonna snug it up.
We repeated the same steps on the opposite side, loosening and then removing the bolt, prying the cap off, removing the plastic insert.
Because this thing's all floppy, this thing's nice and solid.
And replacing it with the 034 Motorsport billet aluminum insert. Then we moved on to the mounts located at the front of the rear subframe. Remove the plastic deflector to gain access to the mount. And like with the other mounts, we loosened the bolts, removed the bolts, and pried off the metal plate cover. Once the metal plate was removed, we could pry out the plastic ring.
Yeah, look at that. That's a big difference on this too. How deep it goes in. So it really does the job of taking that brand new bushing.
That's incredible. What a difference. Then we installed the 034 Motorsport mount and OEM bolt. That's the before, and that's the after. Once the mount is secure, replace the plastic deflector. We repeated the same steps on the opposite side. mod complete in under 60 minutes.
So how does it feel after the rear subframe mounts are installed? Well, I feel pretty cool, which is important when you're driving your midlife crisis car, because now I can brag about how I got another 034 Motorsport part installed on my car. And being able to brag about your car is pretty important when you're, you know, my age. But how does the car feel? Well, the car feels more solid. These are the Audi parts that came on the car. So whether it feels more solid while you're driving or not, the car has increased rigidity, stability, simply because of the quality of the new 034 Motorsport part.
Thank you for watching Midlife Mods.